Hello friends, today we are making Pakistani chicken karai Indian style. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. First, clean the chicken. Burn the chicken hair. Cut the chicken. We need half of a tomato, some cilantro, 2 onions, 5 peppers, and 6 potatoes. Cut the potatoes. Let's begin cooking. In a pot, add oil, fry the onion, pepper, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and cardamom. Add garlic paste, add ginger paste, add turmeric powder, stir. Mix it very good. Add some salt. Add red chili powder. Mix it very good. Add hot water when everything is mixed in. Add 2 spoons of coriander powder. Add in your tomatoes. Add in your cut chicken. Mix the chicken and everything, all the mashallah, in together. Mix it very good. Cover the chicken with the lid. Cook the chicken until the juice is boiling. I wish you could smell how good this chicken curry is. Add in our potatoes. We're almost done. All finished. Look at our chicken curry color. The color is just beautiful. Wow. Perfected with the right amount of mashallah, and the smell just makes you want to eat it all right now. Thank you guys. Please subscribe if you like our videos.